Professor Michere Mugo amukirirwo na gikeno na nduhio thukuru-ini wa Riara amu ni akwirigirirwo muno ari mutongoria njamba na muhe gitio guku bururi-ini ta githima kia ugi. Mwandiki uyu wa mabuku ni aririe uhoro wa kuheana mwihoko ta andu a bururi umwe o hamwe na kurora haria hari na ithenya na kurihuria. Oho no oririe mbeu njithi igerie gutambura mieke ya mawira na kumihimbiria.
At this moment, as we speak in Kenya, our young people have imbued the culture of violence instead of dialogue because they have inherited from an ethos where they have seen their elders and even leaders engage in violence instead of dialogue.
Njamba ino ya bururi no igwetirie horo wa guthura atongoria aria mangiiguania bururi o hamwe na guthingata maundu ma uthii wa na mbere.
This time around in our Kenya elections, let's think about what we are doing and the course we are taking in order to look at our leaders. We must not elect them on the basis of wealth. We must not elect them on the basis of power. We must not elect them on the way they can antagonize us and make us fight with one another. We must elect them on the basis of excellence, on the basis of love for the nation, on the basis of service to humankind.
Professor Mugo aumire guku bururi-ini mwaka wa 1982 aga wikaro hindi ya thirikari ya Moi nyundu wa kwiyaria na kurwira ihoto cia o mundu agithie bururi wa Zimbabwe na thutha ucio agicoka agithie America kuria athomithagia githungu.
How do we embrace hope?
Oho no mwandiki wa mabuku na andikite mabuku matandatu na hari ibuku mandikanire na Professor Ngugi wa Thiong'o.
It's fantastic. Thank you so much, Julie. I appreciate it.